everybody, welcome back to my video. I have decided to do a video all about fitness and flexibility because we've learned a few small yoga sequences already and some balancing moves such as handstands, headstands, the bridge, which can be all quite technical moves. So I've decided to do more of a video for everybody. So anyone can enjoy this video. Beginners, advanced, yogis, whoever. I first want to start by apologising for my appearance. I have got wet hair because I've just been out on a run out in the rain, and because of that I'm now wearing a baggy t-shirt, which, you know, looks great. So, but like I said, I keep saying in all videos, you can wear anything for yoga, just do whatever you feel comfortable. So look forward to seeing me in the video. Okay, so the important thing with this yoga sequence is that you've got to do each move with each breath. This is what gets the fitness going. So as you breathe in, you'll be going into one pose. As you breathe out, you'll be moving into the next pose. So we're going to start today's sequence in mountain pose, taking a large breath in, and as we exhale, go down into the chair pose. Inhale, forward bend, and exhale into plank. Inhale into upward facing dog, and curl those toes under and exhale into downward facing dog. With the left leg forward on your inhale, go into warrior pose, and then exhale back into plank. Inhale into upward facing dog, and then exhale into downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg forward into warrior pose, and then an exhale back down into plank. Inhale into upward facing dog, exhale into downward facing dog. Inhale, step to the top of your mat and into chair pose, and exhale back into mountain pose. That sequence 1 is complete. We're going to repeat the same again, making sure you're inhaling and exhaling in each pose. So down into chair pose, legs straight into a forward bend, hop back into a plank, and then lower into an upward facing dog. Curling those toes under into a downward facing dog, and stepping that left foot into warrior pose. Back down into plank, and then bend those arms into an upward facing dog. Lift up into a downward dog, and then step that right leg forward into warrior pose. Lower back down into a plank, and bend those arms to an upward facing dog. Now back under for your final downward facing dog, and then hop up to the top of your mat into a chair pose, then back into the mountain pose. That's your second sequence complete. Only 3 more to go, and I will let you do these sequences on your own. Remembering to keep those legs straight in the forward bends. And you can bend those knees in downward dog if the hamstrings are feeling tight. Remember those deep breaths in and out on each pose. This is quite a quick sequence. If you find you're running out of breath, take it at your own pace. Maybe do 2 breaths per pose and slow it down. If you're really struggling, pause it here and carry on once you've gained your breath back. Now that's sequence 3 complete, only 2 more to go. You're doing really well. Just relax, clearing your head and listening to the music. Okay, we're on to your final sequence now. Your arms will be feeling tired, your legs will be feeling a little achy, and your overall body will start to feel more tired, but you'll also start feeling more flexible. You'll notice the flow between each move, and you'll notice that each move and position is getting easier, and you're finding this sequence easier to do. This will really work your stamina, create more flexibility in your hamstrings, and ensure that you're feeling overall better within your body. Well done everyone, that's the final sequence complete. Thank you very much for completing this video with me.